just a stretch of asphalt now. PNC sign no longer on the bow. My first real job, stocking shelves, watching the wheel from a concrete lip. No trucks in a rumble, no rigs inside. Bayless pumps are gone, no morning light. But I still taste that penny candy sweet. Two young boys on bikes, scuffed up bare feet. These roads are fresh, a new design, but every turn still holds my time. This whole town's a map of used to be. Every corner whispers back to me. Yeah, a part of me still lives there, I swear, in the spirit of what isn't there. Past the tracks where the steel once rang out, Mr. Bicycle's gone where I got my 12 speed out. And the candlelight where 10-cent wings were king. On karaoke nights people would sing. Main Street's changed but the big houses stand tall. Olde Barge Museum holding history in its hand. Across the Chemung River wide and slow, watching the current, remembering the flow. Around the bend past the old barge spot where $1.35 bought a shaker. All we got, stockyards quiet now. No Monday crowd, no cattle calls, just a distant cloud. Finally Green's Land and we're Corporal Market Way, just a lot where we gathered in and every day, sharing cheap drinks in the parking lots where the late bus dropped me off at the basketball practice. All this whole town's a map of used to be. Every corner whispers back to me. Yeah, a part of me still lives there, I swear, in the spirit of what isn't there. And though the landscape rearranges, my heart remembers all these changes. Oh, Elmira Street, just a stretch of asphalt now. PNC sign no longer on the bow. My first real job, stocking shelves, watching the world from a concrete lift. No trucks in a rubble, no rigs inside. Bayless pumps are gone on morning light, but I still taste that penny candy sweet. Two young boys on bikes, scuffed up bare feet. These roads are fresh, a new design, but every turn still holds my time. This whole town's a map of used to be. Every corner whispers back to me. Yeah, a part of me still lives there, I swear, in the spirit of what isn't there. Past the tracks where the steel once rang out. Mr. Bicycle's gone where I got my 12 speed. And a candlelight where 10-cent wings were king. On karaoke nights people would sing. Main Street's changed, but the big houses stand. Tioga Point Museum holding history in its hand. Across the Chemung River, wide and slow, watching the current in its hand. Across the Chemung River, wide and slow, watching good wreck around and remembering the flow. Around the bend, past the old barge spot, where $1.35 bought a shaker. All we got, stockyards quiet now. No Monday crowd, no cattle cars, just a distant cloud. Finally Green's Land and where Pokemon gave way, just a lot where we gather in it every day, sharing cheap drinks in the parking lots where the late bus dropped me off after basketball practice. This whole town's a map of used to be. Every corner whispers back to me. Yeah, part of me still lives there, I swear, in the spirit of what isn't there. Isn't And though the landscape rearranges, my heart remembers all these changes. Elmira Street, just a stretch of asphalt now. PNC sign no longer on the bow. My first real job, stocking shelves, watching the wheel from a concrete lip. No trucks in a rumble, no rigs inside. Bayless pumps are gone, no morning light. But I still taste that penny candy sweet. Two young boys on bikes, scuffed up bare feet. These roads are fresh, a new design, but every turn still holds my time. This whole town's a map of used to be. Every corner whispers back to me. Yeah, a part of me still lives there, I swear, in the spirit of what isn't there. Past the tracks where the steel once rang out, Mr. Bicycle's gone where I got my 12-speed out. And the candlelight where 10-cent wings were king. On karaoke nights, people would sing. Main Street's changed, but the big houses stand tall. Old Point Museum holding history in its hand. Cross the Chemung River wide and slow, watching the current remembering the flow. Around the bend, past the Olde Barge spot where $1.35 bought a shaker. All we got, stockyards quiet now. No Monday crowd, no cattle calls, just a distant cloud. Finally